Guys, in this video we will set up the route for the order. Okay, so after this we have finished our API for the Node.js Express for e-commerce website. Okay, so after that we will go to the client part. Okay, cool. So I will stop the server and I will push the current repository to the GitHub, so you can access the code in the repo, and you can do along the way with me. If you got error, you can go and check in the repository and trying to find the code. Okay, so I will clear and I will git add commit git commit dash m. I will say cid create ucd product routes and its function. So I will git push. So now the current repo has been pushed to the git repo. So I will close and we'll make another route called order.js. So our order.js is the same thing. We will use the express router. That's why we will need to import const express express require require express. Okay, now we have imported our express, so we can say const order out route equal express.router. So our router has been created, so we can say order route. Okay, so order route, when user make a purchase, user need to send the order data to our server, this API, and then the data will be stored in our Mongose DB. That's why we need to send with the post method. So I will say post, and then I will say like this symbol. So we will use the main URL for the post, order post, and for this one we need to have like product. Okay, product key. That's why if it is not auth user cannot make it purchase or cannot make it order request. Only the auth user, only the authenticated user, only the one who has a key can make an order like this. So we will use the middleware auth. So here we just we created in the previous video the product authentication. Okay, so this product will be used and we'll call here. That's why we need to import that module first. I will say const product product equal to require from middleware auth. So we have our products middleware, and then I just use beside the URL, and after that we will use the error handler as well. So I will say const async handler require from express async handler. So we will say after middleware. So when the auth user call this route, the product function will work. If the user has a key, and this is a handler will work. So here inside this is a handler, we will say essence and another bracket and request and respond, and then we will say arrow function key. So yeah, so that's it, and we will receive the data. Okay, the data will be like const. I will say in our order we have name. We have user, order items, shipping address, payment method, payment receipt, tax price, and so on. So these data will be sent from the auth user. That's why we need to say order items, and also shipping shipping ress shipping address, and payment methods payment method, and shipping price, tax price, so on. So I will show like this. So yeah, order item, shipping address, payment method, shipping price, tax price, total price, and the price. The price means the price of the products. Here I will show you the price. Okay, the price of these single products. And then we will say equal request dot body. So this data will be from request body. So we have our data. So we can say we need to have validation. Okay, if order items, we found we trying to validate if order item and order item. So there is a order items when user send the request, okay, but the length of the order item is 0. We will not make any order. We will not make any like inserting data into our database because there is no item. So it's simple. So order item dot length, we're trying to find the length equal 0. Okay, 3 equal. So it means we need to validate like very safe. If we say equal, that's okay, but it's not very safe validation because sometimes it can get an error. So it means that must be equal with the 0 and the length must be equal 0. That's why we are trying to validate with 3 equal. And if these two conditions are met, we will not do anything. So we will send back the stated with the 400. So res dot respond dot stated 400 throw new error. We'll say no order item found row. Okay, no order item found. Okay, so I'm just kidding. So no order item found. As we will do the order function. As it means the order item is more than 0. So order item will be 1 and more. So we will do the order. So in here we will say const or const equal new order. So this order will be imported from our model order. Okay, so I will click. So it's already imported here after I click. Okay, so we will create new order. In here we have to send the object data. So it will be like the data that we defined before: order item, shipping address, payment method, and shipping price, something like this. Order items. So I will copy this. Cool. So we have sent this data. So for the user, I will say user will be request dot user dot underscore id. So this underscore id, this user will be stored here. User, okay, this user, we need to add the user, which user is trying to make this order. That's why. Okay, we have created our order. Then we will define another one. C1sd cont created order equal await. Okay, await order dot save save. So this order is now safe. Okay, so after save, we will respond stated with the 201 successfully created, and JSON response will be sent like create that order. This data will be sent back. So shipping address, payment method, shipping price, tax price, total price. Cool. And so we need to, don't forget my friend, we need to export our module. Okay, so that's why we can use this order route in our index file. So module dot export equal order route. So our module is ready to use in our index file. So I will open my index file and I will define another route for the order. So this will be like order as orders, and then I need to import order route. So as you see, it's now like show me order select route. So it's already imported here, order route. So VS Code is very intelligent. And after use API order routes, so let me go and text before I need to run my server. CLE clear npm run server. So our server is running on port 3000. Okay, beautiful. So we will go and duplicate our post. Okay, here duplicate, and then I will say user order, order. User order. Before we make user order, this post request, I will say API/order as orders, and then I will delete this. So if I send this URL with the post method, I need to send the JSON data of these order item, shipping address, and blah blah. So I will send this data. Before I send, I need to be authenticated user. So we have said that already in the previous video. If you don't understand about the environment, Postman environment, you should go back and see this video. We have already created our environment React app. Inside we have our current value, the token. When user log in this post method, the token will be stored in this environment and always updates. That's why we can use this token whenever we are trying to use this token different route like this. You can access this token. That's why I don't need to type in our header like content authorization bear token something blah blah. So it will save our time a lot when you do programming in the future. So where am I? I forgot where am I. All products. I just go B. User order. Okay, user order. Okay, so I will send order order items. Which order items should be array list. Okay, inside this we should have, let me go and check order items. As you see, order items array list, order item schema. Inside this we need to send this. Okay, so name, quantity, image. I will say name. I cannot say like this. Name will be we will get all products. So this one, okay, we're trying to order this products. So all products and user order. I don't need this. So all products. The name is Lauren and blah blah. So I just generated the name. That's why it's non-send name. No problem. We are not working for actual data. So name and quantity. I will say how much quantity we have. We have rating count install 4. So we have 4 quantity. So I will say qty will be like 1. That's fine. And image, image, we will use this. We will get the image URL here from here. So I can say I can copy this image like this. Okay, image, we have our image and price. Okay, so price will be, I will copy the price. Where is the price? Price 98, price 98, and then products ID. Okay, this product ID, we need to have our products ID. So here, let me go and check order items. Yeah, products ID. So for the product ID, we say PRODUCT products. PRODUCT products. So it will be our ID here. ID. Okay, this ID. Okay, cool. So our products has been our product item, we have one item like this. Okay, so after that we don't need password. I will delete it not to get error. So under this we need to have shipping address. Okay, so I will say shipping address will be like, let me go and check how is our data format. Shipping address, so shipping address will be like this. So the object data like this, and then inside this we will have address. Okay, so address, and then this address we will say 123 BXAMPNE example road, example road, and we are as Mars. We are trying to order the item from Mars. Okay, we live in Mars. Okay, so cd will be SBAC space X, and postal code will be like MARS 001, and country will be SBAC, country will be MARS Mars also. Okay, so payment method, for the payment method, it's default is paper. That's why we don't need to say, okay, it will be inside default as a paper. Payment result, we will say our payment result. For the payment result, I think we don't bring here. Okay, shipping price, just we will add the shipping price. I'm trying to text the API, that's why I need to insert a lot of data. And then text price. For the shipping price, I think it's okay. Let me say 98. Yeah, 98, because we have only one item. And then text price will be 98.50, 98 into 0.50. So I don't know. So we'll say 100. And to the price 100. Okay, and price for the products is already, I think, in product, maybe let's say 98. Okay, so we have our data. So let's try to send authorization. Let me go and check. For the authorization, we need to add the token. That's why we can access this token from our environment, Postman environment. Okay, let me go and send. Okay, cool, we have got an error. Where is that? Order item is not defined. Order items, ORDR items. Let me go and check. Order items. Okay, that's why this is the error. I have a typo. ORDR ITMES. Okay, not like this. ORDR ITEMS. Sorry guys, it's my typo. Okay, cool. So we have created our order. So user ID, shipping address, and then payment, test price, blah blah blah. Let me go and check our database. I will close. Okay, so we will refresh. If I refresh, the order has been made or not, we will see in a few seconds. Okay, order. So now order is has been made by the user ID is 44D. That user is D44D. This one super admin. Super admin is trying to order the products of this products, and then the order has been made. Like shipping address where this super admin live in Mars, and payment is paper, test price is 100, blah blah. Order items will be inside as an array, but we haven't see our order items. As you see, the order item ITEMS is array is 0 because order items, this is a typo, okay, my bad. So if you have the error like me, so you should update this because we are sending order item, okay, this is me, that's why it's got an error. So the MongoDB doesn't know which we are going to send to, so we need to fix here, not meemx, okay, error order items. Okay, cool. So we will send again. I think we need to log in again. Yeah, so we need to log in here. If we don't have key, we cannot order. So as you see, our order item is now here. Okay, order item, one order item, and this authenticated user has been purchased, shipping address, payment is people, and the rest of the like this. So let me go and check. We will refresh our collection. So as you see, we have two order. So order items here, array as importance. So like this, it's very simple and easy. In the future video, when we make a client application with the React, we are doing the same thing like this. Okay, so guys, see you in the next video.